Hello everyone, let's try to create this presentation and see how it looks like. If you like this kind of content, please look into my channel. You will find many similar videos and many better ones. And please like and subscribe. Let's start it. At first we need to create a blank space by using this thing, format the background, and then you get the space you want. After that I'm going to just simply copy this text because they are just rectangles. They are simply a rectangle. You see, this is a rectangle and the text. This text also use this formattation, overdrive sunset as a font, and nothing special about it. After that, I'm going to do something more crazy. I'm going to add a blue color and make it background fill. Why I'm going to use that, you will understand. Now let me just bring this to front, bring this thing to front. Okay, everything is, we need to create these rectangles you see here. I just copy all of them. They are just a simple rectangle with a brighter color. For example, this is this black, this white, and this is the white, this white. A little darker, you can use it. After copying everything, I'm going to do the magic. What is the magic? I'm going to bring this two thing to front. Now let's try to create the transition. At first, we need to make a transition to this thing to look like it's coming from the up. But how we can do something like that? Before that, we need to bring everything to front, except this three thing. We send them to back. Now we copy this slide here. I'm going to simply pressing shift and bring them up. Okay, the first one, and for the second one, I'm going to just simply print the shift and move it up, completely up. Okay, everything is all right. And for the third one, I'm going to do the same thing. Now I need to create a order, and you don't forget, for this text I just simply reduce the transparency. By doing that, you can make the after that, what we need to do, we need to set the transition of all of them to morph. Now let's run it and see the magic happened. You see how amazing it looks like. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and ask me if you need anything in the comments. I will answer you. Until then, have a nice time.